Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Misfits Adventures. My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And you know, we're standing here still from last week because we haven't moved. Last week we did a closing and we're going to do this opening at the same time because we're now in Shelter Cove. We're not in Shelter Cove, but we're outside on the other side of the mountain. And we're going to go down and check out our friends over there. And we want to do the drone tour.
Yes.
That we did a while ago when we lived there. We had a cheap butt drone and I flew it around and we got 1,000 hits on it. So I really want to make that video better. It's been bothering me because people say, well, it's not a very good drone. It's not very good video, but all these people have been watching it. So I wanted to make it better for them. So that's the reason why we're going back to Shelter Cove and we're spending all this money just to get here for that shot.
Nah, we're here to visit some friends.
Yeah, we're here to visit friends too. So anyways, so we're gonna go take the trip over the mountain. I hope you guys enjoy this video and hopefully do the drone tour of Shelter Cove and the whole peninsula. All right, guys, see you later. Hope it's not too windy when we get there. It's kind of breezy here, but we'll see what we can do. All right, I don't know if these surroundings look familiar, but we are, if I was a motorcycle, I'd go fast up this hill too. We're on the Shelter Cove Road, and there's a bunch of motorcycles behind me. And yep, so we're going over to the Cove and go do some videoing and go check out our friends that we haven't seen in 2 years?
2 years.
Yep. Well, we made it down on the Cove. Hasn't changed at all in 2 years. Mario's is over there. That's the guys that take the boats down. Fish cleaning station's way over there. Look, there's the lighthouse. That's where I worked, in the tackle shop. And the campground. Hasn't changed at all. So this is the pavilion. Lots of campers here, mostly fishermen probably. Used to have to wash off this deck all the time. Every morning. So this is the campground. This is where they do karaoke. And hey, there's the bathroom and laundry. See Jack's truck.
I don't know, that's Jack's truck.
So our friends live over in the corner over there. We used to live, actually right here is where we lived. And the big tree that ate our drone when we first got here, the same drone that we did the drone tour, was right there. It was a big eucalyptus tree. It went up about 86 feet high. And it is no longer there. So that's a good thing. So we're gonna go look for some friends. One's in town, they're on their way back. And I don't know where the other person is. But we're also going to fly the drone a little bit. So. So we're looking down at the beach right now. It is high tide. I don't know if it's just coming in or going out. But yeah, people can't go on the beach, so everybody parks right there. The jetty here kind of holds it back. Beautiful, beautiful, man. Fish cleaning station still dumps all their fish out into the water, which I think is probably a really good thing to do for the other fish, I would think. Yep, we can't find any of our friends. One's still in town and she's on her way back. The other one, we don't know where he's at. He's not working here anymore at the boat launch. So we were going to film him with the drone, but we can't do that. So I don't know. We are going to just kind of hang out here probably for another couple hours. Well, I just found out something, that this is BLM land and you're not allowed to fly anything on BLM land. Which I don't know if that's true, but the rangers are here and they told me we can't. So we're not going to do that today. But I got some of the cove anyways, you saw that. And maybe if we're still here for another couple days and it's not as windy, I'll go out and fly the drone some more. All right, we're gonna get in the car, go back down to the cove itself and try to find all our friends. All right guys, so we're going to end the day today. We didn't really show you too much of Shelter Cove. We kind of got with our friends. We kind of met up with them. We had some dinner with them, and we shot the crap with them and talked about old times and everything. Oh, yeah. Talked about what's going on now of the area and the peoples. And it's getting dark, and the clouds are coming in. So it's about time to wrap this up. We're going to go back to the campground that we're at. Since we didn't stay here at Shelter Cove, we're going to go back down to there and have a good night. So tomorrow is going to rain here, so we won't be able to show you anything tomorrow, more than likely. So we're going to tell you goodbye for now, and you can always see us every Sunday at Misfits Adventures at 6 o'clock in the morning. We have a new video coming out. Or you could write us anytime you want, and that is misfitsadventures@gmail.com. And we also are on Facebook, Instagram, and then you can see us on our website, which is misfitsadventures.com, right?
Yes.
And you can watch all the videos on there. But meanwhile, here is looking over. This is Wedding Point, last place we're on. You can see the marine layer coming in, so the clouds are coming in. The Pacific Ocean. That's down there is Dead Man's Cove, the surfing spot. All in here. You can see that. Got a nice pavilion here. This is called Wedding Point because they do have weddings up here. People have come up here. It's actually a nice pad for a house that never got built, I think. But that is Shelter Cove down there. You can see the cove where we were. You can see the little jetty. And if Max wasn't walking around, you probably could hear the seals out there. There's a million seals out on the rocks. And the seals get fed, I don't know if you can see down there, there's a pipe that goes from the fish cleaning station. They jet all that down to the water, and the sea lions go down there and eat it all up, and the fish come in there and eat it, so that's awesome. Yep, there's a house way up there. You can see their lights on. Well, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go back across over the mountain, and hopefully the brakes work fine and we get over the mountain fine. Whew. So, all right, guys, we'll see you next week on Misfits Adventures. Say goodbye, hon.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us, guys. Bye.